Hey, what's going on? It's Mike, and we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Orah 4i 360 camera. I pre-ordered it 324 days ago from B&H, and I finally received it. To start off, let's go ahead and see. We got the quick start guide right here. Pretty thin, pretty easy. And then we got the part replacements. Looks like it was on some photo paper. Alright, now for the meat. Let's see what we got. We have the stitching box for the Orah. Plenty of USBs, Ethernet ports. We got a short Ethernet cable. Have the power box. Is to charge, assuming maybe the stitching box, which provides power to the camera. Alright, there's the other part to it. Alright, then we have two short USB cords, another short Ethernet cord, and a small 2.5 gigahertz antenna. We have the injector power over Ethernet, which I assume looks like it's what powers the stitching box to the camera. As for the camera, we have the Orah camera. 4 lenses, not too heavy, feels solid, not plastic. And that's it. So I'm excited to check it out and see what it has to offer, so let's go ahead and try it out.